And we are looking for some letters. Let's find some more. And I've got letter E, which can go over here. We have letter C, it goes over here. We have letter P, no place for letter P, and 4 more to go. I've got letter I, and we are completing another word. This is L-I-O-N, lion. So from this side we have a new word. Let's find the places for these 4 letters. So L can go right to the new one. I can go right here. O can go away. And N or U we can also put away. We don't have places for them yet. And another word which is completed. T-A-X-I, taxi. And here we had snow, we already completed it. And we take the new card and let's try to find places for these 4 letters. So T, we don't have place for it. I can go over here. X, we don't need it right now as well. And letter I can go over here. And I have 3 letters and we'll start all over. C, no place for C. S, we have place for S, and we have one more word. N-E-S-T, nest. Here we have something new. And let's place these letters. So N goes here. E can go here. This one first, faster. S can go away. And T also goes to the new word. And I have one more letter in here, which is letter I. And we don't have place for I. My bucket is empty again, so we take all the letters back in here and we try to find places for them because we still have some words to complete. Alrighty, we are almost done. So not so many words left. We are mixing and we take the first one, which is letter F. And no place for F. Perfect. Letter N or U. Nope. Letter X. Nope. Letter Y. No. Oh, come on. Letter G. And we have place for letter G. W. No place for W. X again. We don't have it. Z, no place for Z. H, no place for H. I, no. O, no O. That's strange. M, no M. Come on. K, yes, we do have place for K. Perfect. Okay, I got 2. L, no. V, no. What's going on? R, we have place for R. Perfect. Next is H. We have to do something. Let's put G over here. And we've got leg completed. Perfect. L-E-G, leg. All right, so here we had lion, it's already done, and we take our last card. So we have these 3 letters. L can go here, E will go here. Let's put it here, make it interesting. Let's make it interesting. And G will go here. All right, let's search for new ones. Letter M, no. Letter Y, no. Letter K, no. R, no. G, yes, we have it. And another word, E, double G, egg. And this is also something new, perfect. And let's see if we can put something where E, G, E, double G. So we've got E. Let's put it here. All right. And double G, no places for G. And another word, which is N-E-T, net. And here we've already completed it. So we are only left with 5 cards. And we've got these 3 letters, so we can put N away or U. E can go here, and T is going away as well. What else we have? V, no place for V, as I know. Z, no place for Z. J, no J. Finally, B or Q. And we are completed our aqua, A-Q-U-A, aqua. On this side, we have a new word. We are not finished. So A can go over here. Q or B can go over here. U or N can go over here. And A will go here. So we have another word here, which is a C-R-A-B, crab. Let's see. No, still the new word. So C is going here. A will go also here. R will go away, and B will go here. And we are completing B-I-K-E, bike. Here, another new word. So B goes here, I goes here, K goes here, and E goes here. And we have completed double E-L, eel. And here we have a new word. So our E will go here, and here we have completed a new word. Let's put this here, and this goes away for some time. And here we have C-A-K-E, cake. And this card is also completed. So we can put C over here, A away, K over here, and E over here. Perfect. Let's keep looking. O, no place for O. This is P, and we don't have P here. So this is T, and another word, A-N-T, ant. Aqua is completed, so it goes away. So A we don't need, N we have, and no place for T. So here we have B-I-N, bin. Bike is done already. We put it right here. So B will go away, I as well, and N will transform into U. And 2 more to go. Let's see if we can complete them. So no place for S. This is our B. This is actually D. And we have D-U-C-K, duck. And eel is done here. And we need one more letter, which is right over here because we already found it. And this is E-Y-E-I. And here we had X, so we have completed our game. Thank you for your time, guys. See you next time.